Welcome to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today we are going to be making a terrarium inside of this gumball machine. On the way, when I was running an errand, somebody threw it out in their garbage and I grabbed it. When I found it, it was all red and like chipped off red paint. Yellow was showing through. And I took it home, sanded it completely, everything, and spray painted it white with Rust-Oleum spray paint. For this project today, what we're going to be using is these bags of white rock or little white stones. I picked these out, 2 bags from the Dollar Tree today. I don't know if I'm going to be using 1 or 2 bags. I have to wait and see. And then I was planning on putting in some succulents. I got these, like a peach color, pinkish peach color succulent. And this kind of succulent I thought was very cool, different. Kind of orangish, reddish, and green. And then this succulent too I picked up. All these succulents I picked up at Michael's. And the most important part is this base to put down. I have to take everything out of there and put this down so the stones all don't go through inside to the machine. And this is just a piece of foam, like poster board. I traced it, made a pattern, and I got the foam from the Dollar Tree. Okay, first thing I have to do is get this top off. So this just unscrews like this, because it's kind of loose. All right. Gotta take all the inside things out. Then this glass comes off. The screw is just unscrews. It's very easy. Okay, and then my template thing, I'm gonna put that in there. See, that's what it looks like if I didn't put this down. All the gravel would go all in there and come out the bottom here. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna screw this back on. And then I'm gonna put the glass back on, line it up. Now we should be ready for the stones. Some of them might go underneath that thing, but that's all right. Just as long as a lot of them don't get underneath. Now I'm just going to arrange them like that to see how that looks. Maybe I'll add a little bit more stones. Let's see. I'm glad I got 2 bags of rocks. Couple more. All right. Now it's time to add the succulents. Very carefully, I gotta put these in. And put them down in the rocks. This one here, to put it down. This one, squeeze it on in, put it over here. You can add anything. People put all kinds of things in here. Some people make like a fairy type garden terrarium, gumball machines. Okay, now I'm going to screw this on. Very easy with my finger. Make sure it's on good and tight. Okay, and voila! You have a terrarium inside a gumball machine. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.